Hello, welcome my wonderful people. So today this is another requested video and I'm going to see if I can do my best to give you what you requested. So I'm going to prepare this power packed, rich, very healthy tea, and it's turmeric and ginger with lemon. So I have like 3 inches of ginger, and I have 3 slices of lemon and a teaspoon of turmeric. You can use the fresh turmeric, but I didn't have any. That's better. You can use the fresh turmeric instead of the turmeric powder. And I did not peel my ginger, as you can see, so you don't have to peel your ginger. And I'm just going to, instead of boiling it, I have some hot boiling water that I'm going to use 1.5 cups of hot water. Thank you all for coming in. Thank you all for coming in. This is a requested video if you missed the first part of the video. And this is going to clean your lungs full of antioxidants. You know, it's power packed. You know about the ginger, the lemon, the turmeric, and you can also drop in some star anise, your choice. Right now, COVID is going around and you want to build your immune system. This is an immune booster right here. Long life and prosperity. Very easy to prepare. So I'm just going to add my ginger to the glass. You can do this in a pot. You can do this in a pot. And I'm going to add my lemon slices. So I have 3 slices of lemon. And I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can use fresh turmeric, your choice. Fresh turmeric is better than the powder, in my perspective. And you can add 2 star anise. And I'm going to just add some hot boiling water. You can do this in a pot, your choice. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover this and leave this sitting on my counter for 15 minutes. Let me show you how it is already. So this is what it looks like already. I'm telling you, if you're doing this in a pot, let the water come to a boil, turn off the heat, add your ingredients, and cover the pot. So look at that, power packed. I'm telling you, I can't say a lot of the benefits, but this is very good for the whole entire family. All right. Hi, Nicole Yard Style. Thank you all for coming. Team Happy. Thank you all for coming, guys. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. The person who requested this video, I hope I did deliver according to your expectations. Please keep on sending in your request and I will try my best to fulfill the request. Okay? Thank you all for watching. Until next time, your queen is out. So as I'm saying, cover it and leave it for 15 minutes, and then you can drink this first thing in the morning on empty stomach, and you can drink this 2 to 3 times per week. Cleanse your lungs, antioxidant, immune booster. This is gonna build your system. Okay? All right. Thank you. Have a good night.